guys watch, we're going to do this again. However, this time, when I say start moving, I want you to move with a purpose. The rate of my feet moving doesn't have anything to do with how much my trigger moves. So I don't care if you just shoot one round between here and there, as long as you're moving quickly. I want you to shoot slower and get good hits. Okay? All right, here we go. Amen. Safety's come off, trigger finger straight. Start moving. Fight!
Fire!
All right, look around. All right, top them off if you can. We're going to do the same thing going backwards. All right, backwards we're going to be going as fast as we can. Stay on your feet. Just move quickly. Same thing as before. When you get back there and you don't think you can hit anymore, stop shooting. All right, aim them in. Guys, back up a little bit further. This thing. Trigger finger straight, safety's off. Start moving. Fight! Cease fire!
Cease fire!
Look around. All right, top them off if you can. Make them safe and let them hang. Make them
Be safe and let them hang.
That's good. There's one out. Let's see. There. Okay, how do you get better at this? You do it. Okay, what I'd like to see is anything inside this C box would be considered good for me. Anything outside that C box is not applicable.